you have a monkey in your pants?
Alright guys, how's it going? A little quick video for you. This is a video response, although you're not allowed to do video responses anymore, YouTube. Stupid fucking YouTube try to fuck with our shit. By the way, how many times does YouTube ask you if you want to change your name? Mine's asks me if do you want to change your name to James? Like every 2 days. Or do you want to keep it as Monkey Spaz? And then, even one time, I clicked, yes, I want to keep it as Monkey Spaz. And it was like a trick. It somehow created a Monkey Spaz fucking Google page plus pish. But anyway, how the fuck did I get onto that? It's because I said YouTube video responses were no longer allowed, that was it. So this is a very quick video. It was a video response, that's what it was, but it's not allowed. I think it was to a video that Carl Woodland37 done a little while ago, asking, are we all resellers? Or lizards? Or reselling cunts? And my take on it is, if we're honest with ourselves, yes, we are all resellers to a certain degree. Give you an example. Excuse me, I've still got a bit of the man cold flu. If you were at a car boot sale, right, and you had 5 Mega Drives in your house, you didn't need any more, but you were at a car boot sale and you saw a boxed Mega Drive, excellent condition, for sale for £6, for argument's sake, would you pick it up? I would put it to you, if you had the money, you would pick it up simply to either A, sell it on to make a profit, or B, sell it on to obviously still make a profit but to put that money towards something else, or C, to trade with somebody. What's the difference between that and simply reselling? Is that not reselling? I would say so. It's is it human nature? Is that even the right sort of word? If you can buy something for £1 and know that you can sell that for £6, you're gonna do it. You'd be an absolute complete trouble to not do it. Do you know what I mean? It's like, it's just the way it works. Is for example, listen. It's not for an example, ignore that for an example, but you may know that recently I bought an Amiga 1200 with an accelerator board in it, with a 030 processor on the accelerator board, with an MMU FPU on it. That might not mean a lot of things to anybody, but for example, that board inside the Amiga alone is probably worth about £150. And I got an Amiga 1200, and I got a CD drive with the Amiga 1200, and a whole bunch of CD 32 games with the Amiga 1200, and a Commodore monitor for the Amiga 1200. How many times can I say Amiga 1200? And I got that all for £55. Now, I didn't buy it to sell anything on or anything like that. I got it because I love the Amiga, and it was a ridiculously good price. But to give you an example, I wasn't using the CD drive side of it, because basically the Amiga's got a compact flash card installed inside with all the games, so I was never going to use the CD drive and the masses of CD32 games. So I thought I'll stick the CD-ROM drive and the CD32 games on eBay, and guess what? Some of those games, which I've still got here, I'll show you one actually if I can see it, in back. So some of those games, for example, are worth a lot of money. Now this game alone, Super Stardust, sold on eBay for £62 plus postage. Looks nothing fancy, it's just a game. Other games sold for £30, £35, £40. Crazy money. I made, including the CD drive and the CD32 games for the Amiga, about £290. Bonkers. The whole lot, including the actual computer and the board inside it, remember, which the board inside the computer is worth £150 by itself. I bought all that for £55. Now I sold the CD Drive and the Amiga games for about £280, £290. So I'm a reseller, everybody. Am I? I am, aren't I? But I didn't buy it on the purpose to resell it, but I bought it and I resold it and I made a fucking whack of a profit on it. Now, people seem to get annoyed. You have to excuse me, and it's not Iron Brew, everybody, it's just diluting juice. And people get annoyed at resellers at car boot sales, right? And the only reason that people are getting annoyed at these resellers at car boot sales is the people who are getting annoyed at the resellers at car boot sales are getting annoyed because they didn't buy the items. The resellers bought them. That is the only reason that people get annoyed with these resellers. I'm not having a go at anybody and I piss like that, but I'm just making a point. That's the only reason, from my point of view, right? If these resellers at car boot sales can make a living out of doing this, fuck me, who's the dumb fucker? Me? I should be doing it. If they can make a living about going about car boot sales, buying games cheap and selling them on, making hefty profits. Clever business sense is what I say. Like I say, it might be annoying if you get these resellers who go about car boot sales buying all these things for £2, £1.50 and then stick them on their stalls for £5, £6, but people are buying them, so the resellers are clever people. People only get annoyed, like I said, because the resellers are buying items cheap, whereas us, if you like, are wanted to buy them at that price. That's it. I don't see anything wrong with it. It might annoy people, but nothing wrong with it. For example, if I was to watch a video and somebody bought a massive hoard of games for, oh fuck knows, we'll just say Spectrum, right, because I like the Spectrum, and maybe it was 100 games, all these games that I'd always wanted for the Spectrum, 100 games, and the guy got them for £5, and if I watched a video and went, I'm just going to sell them on, or I've already sold them, or whatever, I'd be annoyed because I would have paid that £5 and I would have kept them for myself. So that's where that side of things comes in for it. But reselling, resellers, I'm waffling shit now, but I don't see a problem with it, to be honest with you. People do what they want to do with their money. If you're not quick and you don't get in there and you don't get the bargain yourself, tough shit. Do you know what I mean? And I'll put my hand up and say, if I'm somewhere and I see something ridiculously cheap, I might buy it just so I can sell it on. I won't deliberately try and take the piss out of anybody on YouTube about it, but I think Woodland said, for example, if I bought, what's this? A stick of memory. If their going price for this was £25 on eBay and I managed to get it for £3, I'm not going to sell it to somebody on YouTube for £3.50, am I? When I can sell it on eBay for £25. I would want a decent going rate for it. So we're all resellers, guys. Stick your hands up, say, I am a reseller, I'm sorry for being a reseller, it's just everybody's a reseller when you look at it. It's just how it works. Everybody wants to make money, everybody wants to get a good bargain. People get annoyed, I understand that, but my name's James, I am a reseller.